Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving deep into a topic that's often overlooked but incredibly vital: the silent battlefields of post-war recovery zones and the surprising heroes that emerge ecology and wildlife. When we think about conflict, our minds usually go to human stories, rebuilding infrastructure, and economic challenges. But what about the natural world that's been caught in the crossfire? It's a powerful and often hopeful story, and I can't wait to share it with you. Imagine landscapes scarred by conflict, littered with debris, and disrupted by years of human activity. It seems like a bleak picture, right? But here's the amazing part: nature has an incredible capacity to heal itself, and sometimes even thrive in these unexpected places. We're talking about forests reclaiming abandoned trenches, rare bird species finding sanctuary in demilitarized zones, and ecosystems slowly regenerating, literally cleaning up the mess left behind. This isn't just about pretty scenery, it's about the very foundation of recovery. A healthy environment provides clean water, fertile soil for agriculture, and vital resources for communities to rebuild their lives. It's a natural blueprint for resilience. So, how does this happen? Often, when human presence recedes, nature steps in. Animals return, plants take root, and the intricate web of life begins to repair itself. These natural processes are crucial not only for the environment itself, but also for the people returning home. Restored wetlands can prevent flooding, thriving forests can regulate climate, and diverse wildlife populations can bring back ecological balance. Understanding and supporting these ecological recovery efforts isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a cornerstone of sustainable peace and long-term well-being. It offers a powerful reminder that even after the darkest times, renewal is always possible. It truly is inspiring to see how resilient our planet is and how integral nature is to all forms of recovery. What are your thoughts on this incredible interplay between conflict and ecological resilience? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating topics like this. Your support helps us explore these important stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.